Today unboxing is on the Tomica Subaru Impreza WRX STI 4-door. This is an Ito Yokado exclusive, available at Ito Yokado departmental stores in Japan. The outer box features the Tomica 50th anniversary logo and the gold background, together with an Ito Yokado logo. Casting wise is pretty expected, as this is a repeat casting. Beautiful paint finish in gloss white, standard racing wheels that comes with suspension, comes with the racing stripe of Ito Yokado and also the Ito Yokado logo type. No opening parts for the WRX, but I'm happy that it comes with plastic insert headlights to add to the details. The roof is in high gloss black with reverse white Ito Yokado label, which is very contrast. I like the overall design for this Impreza WRX. It's very clean cut and simple, and yet very arresting. This Tomica Ito Yokado edition is definitely a great addition to your Tomica Subaru collection. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!